friends, question number 11. The graph of the line y equal to 2 passing through the point. So this is somewhat interesting question, 11th question. So the 11th question, how that equation will be there. This is x-axis and y-axis. Okay, that y equal to 2 means y value only 2, correct? All other values, this is y value 1, y value 2. So that line pass through y equal to 2. So this is the line. This is the line y equal to 2. Understand? So if you take any point on this axis, x value may differ, but y value always 2. So where is y value 2? This is not possible because y value is not 2. Here y value is 2, so this is possible. Y value is not 2, not possible. Y value is not 2, not possible. So y equal to 2 is the possible value. X can be any value. So if you take the point on y equal to 2, so many number of points, okay. But x value become any value, 5, 2. So that point will be lies here, x-axis 5, but y is 2. Y always 2, x will be any values. Understand? Now we can see the question number 12. How many linear equations? Yeah, as many linear equations as you can create. How you are telling, sir? Now I'll write, just listen. 2 plus 3 is 5. I write x plus y is 5. What is x value? 2. Y value 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Suppose I take x minus y. What is the value? 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 minus 3. Minus is big. So now we substitute 2 minus 3, it's minus 1. Suppose you take y minus x. Y is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Understand? Suppose you take 2x plus y. Substitute to the value 2 into x, 2 to 4. Y 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Like that you can get any number of linear equation. Okay, infinitely many solution. Only one solution. Only two solution. None of these. How many linear equation can be created? So infinitely many. And pictorially, how can you recognize that, sir? See, these are the lines. So my question is, how many lines pass through the single point? That is the different question. And you go with the different question. This is the point 2, 3. Through the point 2, 3, how many lines can pass? Infinitely many lines can be passed through the single point. So that is the pictorial representation of this problem. So how many linear equation can pass through single point? Many linear equation can pass. So how many linear equation you can construct? Many linear equation you can construct because only one point. The same question if they ask 2 points is given, one and only line can pass through 2 points. Suppose 2 points are there. How many lines can pass through 2 points? One and only one straight line can pass. You should not write it this way and other straight line. So how many linear equation? Only one linear equation for 2 point. 3 point, maximum 3 lines you can come. Suppose you have a point here, 3 point. So triangle can form. If triangle form, 3 lines can be drawn. Suppose the line lie on the same straight line. One and only line can be passed through 3 points. Understand? So now they have given only 1 point. So many line can pass. 13th question. 2 angles are complement of each other. Then each angle, what do you mean by complement? Complement, okay. 2 angles are complement of each other. Complement, the wording complement indicate 90 degree. This is very important things you have to remember. What do you mean by complement? 90 degree is called complement. Okay, sir. Now question, read the question. 2 angles are complement. Suppose one angle is 10 degree. What is another angle? 80 degree. If you add become 90 degree. What can you say about these 2 angles? Yes, sir. Acute angles. Acute angle. Because angle should be less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Obtuse angle should be more than 90 degree. Not possible, sir. Sum of 2 angles itself 90 degree. How can I get more than 90 degree? Not possible. Right angle. Sir, sum of two angles is 90 degree. So what about the two angles? It never be 90 degree. Okay, the angle. Okay, each angle never be 90 degree because 90 plus 90 it become 180. Okay, then reflex angle not possible, sir. Reflex angle means you have to take difference from 360 degree. So 10 degree, 350 degree. This is called reflex angle, 360 degree. Okay, each angle is 90 degree means that is supplementary angles, not possible. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree. Okay, each angle is more than 90 degree means 90 above. What is that 90 above? Suppose you take 100 plus 100. It is not complementary angles. Okay, so only acute angles can be possible. You take any angle. If you take 1 degree to 89 degree, both are acute angle. Less than 90 degree, both are acute angle. Okay, so if you add two angles, two angles are complementary means if you add the two angles x plus y, that should be 90 degree. If you add two angles, the same question instead of complementary, they used supplementary, then total should be 180 degree. Understand? If they ask a reflex angle, total should be 360 degree. 14th question. So this also some minus is there. The minus only making you confused. Okay. So what is 125? Find the factor of 125 divided by 5. 2 5s are 5 5s are divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. So now 125 can be replaced with the 5 power what? 5 into 5 into 5, 5 power 3. Whole power, they have given minus 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. So 5 power minus 1 will be the rest 1. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. So when you have in the power minus 1, you have to take reciprocal. So 5 by 1, it become 1 by 5. So we have to write like that. So whenever you have negative power, so negative power become positive power by taking reciprocal. 125 power 1 by 3. The negative minus 1 by 3 become positive 1 by 3 if you take reciprocal. Then you can replace this with 125 is nothing but 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125 into this power 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. Numerator 3. 3 into 1 is 3 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 5 power 1. So 1 by 5 is the correct answer. In a polynomial x, the indices of x must be integer, positive integer, negative integer, real number. I already said polynomial means we have to talk about degree. Degree always whole number. Whole number we can say another word is positive integer. Negative integer not possible. Integer means positive and negative. Negative integer also not possible. So integer not possible because integer has negative integer. That's why. So negative integer, real number never be. In real number we have whole number, natural number, fraction, irrational, everything is there. So polynomial means degree should be indices. It should be always whole number. Whole number, in other words, you can say whole number. In other words, positive integer. Okay, these are the power of x, degree of polynomial. Yes, sir. Once 4 students form class X 10th A were selected for the plantation of flower school garden. So they are doing like that. Okay. Pankaj, Raju, Deepak, Reenu. Okay. These are the parallel lines PQ, M and parallel line. Pankaj planted the plant at P. Yeah, this is the Pankaj plant. And Raju planted another plant at Q. Okay. Raju planted another plant at Q. Further, Deepak was called to plant any flowering plant at M. He planted another plant there. Okay. Now it was the turn to Reenu. So now we are talking about Pankaj. It's very clear that Pankaj at P. Raju at Q, Deepak at M. Yeah, now they said at and all, so that point we have to be mentioned where they did. Okay, Deepak M, Raju Q, Deepak M. Now it was the turn to Reenu. She was told to plant the flowering plant different from 3 planted. So each one planted different places. Okay, because they can't plant at the same. Okay. So she planted another plant at N. Reenu at N. Pankaj at P. Raju at Q. Deepak at M. Reenu at N. There was water pipeline. XY. Yeah, this is XY, I think. This is X and Y. Intersect PQ MN at A and B. So they're in right at A and B. So this is your point E, okay? So this is your line X and Y. This is A, this is B. They have given at A and B. Intersect at A and B. This is your A, point A. This is your point B. Okay. X, B, N, 60 degree. Yeah, this is X, B, N. Yeah, they mentioned here 60 degree. They already mentioned here 60 degree. Answer the following. So what is the value of angle? Angle Z. Okay, this is, don't write L Z, angle Z. Typing, I think. Z. Angle Z. Where is angle? Yeah, this is angle Z. If it is 60 degree, this should be 120 degree. How you are telling, sir? This is linear angle. So angle Z plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. So Z equal to 180 minus 60, which is 120 degree. Understand? So this is 120. Z should be 120 degree. And see the next question. What is the value of P plus Q? Yeah, this is also linear angle. P plus Q also linear angle. This is P, this is Q. When you add these two, become P plus Q is 180 degree because of linear angle. Okay, 180 degrees, sir. What is the value of P plus Q plus Z plus A? They are adding all the 4 angles. P plus Q is 180. What is Z plus A? You have to see Z plus A. Yeah, this is Z. This is A. Yeah, this is vertically opposite angle. This is also 60. This is also 60 degree. Because vertically opposite angles are equal. This is 60, so this is also 60. So 60 plus 120, 180. This is also 180. So P, Q, Z, A, 360 degree. 2 times we added. So 360 degree divided by 6. So 6, 6, so 60 is the answer. What is the sum of angle Q and Y? Sum of angle, we have to add sum. Okay, Q and Z. Let's go back. What is Q and what is Z? Z is 120. Yeah, this is 120. This is 60 degree. Interior, sum of interior angle is 180. Same side. Sum of interior angles of the transverse axis on the same side is 180 degree. So Q plus Z is 180 degree. Q plus Z. Q plus, they are not Z, they ask Y. Q plus Y. So Q is 60, Y is 120 degree. Y 120, alternate angles are equal. This is 120, so this is also 120. Alternate angles are equal. So 120 plus 60, Q plus Y. Q plus Y. Q plus Y is 180. Which angle is the corresponding angle to A? Angle A. Angle A, which is the corresponding angle? Yeah, Q is the corresponding. This is A. So Q is the corresponding angle. Understand? Angle cube. This is the correct answer. Understand here, student?